my fellow geeks, and welcome to Cranium Overload.
Today we will be playing Worms Revolution.
Oh, really?
Yes, we will.
Oh, fun.
Alright, so, as you can see, we got our two worms set up right there.
I'm Sherlock Holmes, laddies.
Alright, so let's begin. Just trying to remember which one is which, so there you go. First worm is gone!
But
I bet your erect won't be able... Oh gosh, now I realize why you named it that.
I didn't actually mean to put the E in front of the rect. What?
Well, you got rid of the jetpack.
Equip. Okay, there we go. I think things are about to get...
Better throw it quickly! One! Oh, it didn't do anything. Cluster bomb, boom, 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 boom. Nothing. I can tell that this is... I can tell this is already gonna go in my favor.
No!
Da 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 da! Two down, two to go.
He was so magical, though.
You got wrecked, mate. You got wrecked, you wee lad.
You got erect.
Oh.
Alright.
You can't do anything, you lost health.
Oh, no.
Let's see, what should I use here?
Good luck. Good luck.
Nope.
Boom! Shake for effect.
Oh, where are you? Where? Oh!
Wombo combo! Wombo combo! Oh, come on.
No! Crap, it didn't go where I wanted it to. Well, I got a concrete donkey.
Da 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 da.
Oh, you were so close to hitting that mine! What? Well, okay. Oh, wow. Well.
Noob wins! No! This is not one-hit KOs.
Oh yeah, I got a concrete donkey. You know what that means?
Do? No.
You're about to find out.
No. No.
Destruction.
Why?
487 health. Why? You have 1 health. Good job, Austin.
I want to win the next one, though.
Alright, sure. Whatever you say.
I think it's time, boys.
Okay. You're dying with honor. Dying with honor.
Samurai's honor!
Winner!
Get ready
look
for
at that.
round.
Oh, look at that. He's doing the worm because he's a worm. Beautiful. All right, next round. Worms Revolution. Certain weapons can be dropped off in a drone, parachute, and
round 2. Oh.
There we go. Bunker Buster. Boom. Oh, come on!
I didn't get launched.
Dang it. Come on, Obi-Wan. Why? Every time you fall, you lose damage.
Just wait.
Well, there goes the care package. Well, goodbye.
Ha ha. Sabotage! I just found. No.
Well. Well.
I guess I'm just gonna use up my jetpacks.
Alright. Fair enough, as long as you don't kill yourself with it.
Oh.
Well. Oh, right on top of Markiplier.
You know it.
I'm curious.
No!
Oh my gosh! Well, rip. There goes, many of our characters.
Who did it kill? Who did it?
One of each of our guys. Hey.
No!
No, it's coming out again. Alright, let's see. What do I want to do? Ooh, I know what I want to do.
What does the sheep do?
You'll see.
No. No, don't do it. No!
Oh, what a shot!
Ha! Oh, yes!
Oh, it actually got a bit of C-gamers.
Oh, yes!
That actually was a pretty good shot.
I'll show you a good shot.
37. Not bad, not bad.
No. It's gonna hit C. Oh. Courtesy clap. Courtesy clap.
Fantastic. Well, oh, that's it.
Really?
Only 21. What's 9 plus 10?
You obviously don't have an A in math. As I do. Because you know what? 9 plus... What'd you say?
Oh, so close. That would have been awesome. 37. You weren't even looking.
Oh, got another
No!
airstrike. Oh, yes, it will.
Oh, come on, fire. Fire, stop them. No!
Yes, it will.
Yes, Vanos, you're still in. You're still in this, Vanos.
I'm winning, though, now.
Not for long.
Austin won. Austin?
Might it contain the match winner? Let's find out.
No. 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 You've killed me enough with this.
Yes, just exactly enough health. It took 30 health for hitting you with the bat, and then only 3 health for it.
Oh.
BAM! Get erect.
Why don't you take damage, like, just one day? Oh, no. No.
Sentry, go down and clubbing. Oh, don't worry. Oh, don't worry. You'll see what's gonna happen.
I gotta make it count. No! No!
That's what I was talking about. Oh, aren't you glad that you have me as a friend? Boom!
Not
Well,
anymore.
hello.
Okay.
Uh-oh. Oh crap, is it gonna hit me off? Am I gonna die too? Nope! Boom! Double win. Alright guys, thanks for watching. If you enjoyed the content this put forth, please subscribe.
And make sure to do something geeky today. Bye-bye!